and welcome back to my channel. For today's video ay isa na namang magiging series sa channel ko, which is favorites video. So for this video, of course, I will start with the January favorites video. And I know, hindi to yung first time na makapanood yun ng ganito. However, gusto ko din siyang simulan sa channel ko since I can't start this last year since nag-start ako mag-YouTube ng June 2020. Kaya, since magsisimula ako na nag-YouTube na ako ngayong 2021, I hope magkakaroon ako ng monthly favorites videos. And as usual guys, I am under natural light, kaya magbabago-bago all throughout the video yung lighting ko. Please bear with me once again. And of course, if you loved or purchased some of the items that I will mention, don't forget to tag me sa Instagram at piinkpastelsxx. And don't forget to use the hashtag Aly maybe buy it. So what to expect sa monthly favorites video ko? Actually guys, hindi siya super dami per month and it can be random things like food, not just material things talaga, but it can also be podcasts, songs, or even artists, books of course, and many other things. So let's just hop right into our video. So my first favorite is the t-shirt that I am wearing. So ito ay collaboration ng Uniqlo with Disney, and Disney princesses siya, kaya I really loved it. Although, ang binili ko ay yung kay Jasmine instead yung kay Rapunzel. Kasi as you all know, si Rapunzel yung favorite Disney princess ko. However, medyo hindi ko nagustuhan yung print sa kanya and parang front lang yung merong print sa kanya and sa back ay wala na. Compare dito kay Jasmine, which is embroidered yung print niya dito sa harapan and meron pa siyang print sa likod. Now, let us proceed sa second favorite ko, which is the food. This is a Nexstar Choco Brownies na snack. And I really love it kasi hindi siya sobrang tamis. And kung makikita nyo dun sa kanyang pinaka-picture, ay yan na yan mismo yung product niya. Super sarap talaga niya. You should try it, guys. And affordable lang naman siya since you can have 10 packs na ganito sa isang box for only 75 pesos. So, meron ako nakita sa Shopee na 75 pesos lang siya. So, my next favorite ay feeling ko na-mention ko na sa aking last vlog. And if you haven't watched it yet, of course, I will be linking it somewhere here. Of course, I really enjoyed listening to Bo Sanchez's podcast ngayong January. Since sobrang motivational talaga, and of course, January is like the month of restarting and reconnecting. I need to listen to someone like him, wherein super inspirational, and mas nagkakaroon ako ng motivation to do the things that I need to do. You can listen to his podcast sa Spotify. Hindi naman ganun kahahaba yung mga episodes niya. Next is this Modex label maker. Actually guys, this is one of my favorites dito sa video na to. And I didn't expect na makakabili ako ng gantong label maker at a very affordable price. I think I bought this for 280 pesos lang yata. And medyo matagal na din ako nakakakita and gustong makabili nito. However, I thought na sobrang mahal talaga niya. Pero ito, kasama na yung mismong product niya, yung machine and the refill itself. So, for 280 pesos ay magkasama na to. And hindi siya ganun kalaki, like, ganito lang siya kalaki. And itong pinaka-wheel niya na to, pwede siyang mapaltan kasi yung mga letters niya dyan ay all caps. But, pwede mo din siyang mapaltan ng ibang wheel. Of course, other purchase na yon. And itong pinaka-refill niya ay madami ding colors like neon pink, pastel pink, gray, orange. So, super dami din talaga. Okay, my next favorite is a Resin Key Chain made by yours truly. And ito yung It's Okay to Not Be Okay inspired Resin Key Chain. And actually, tatlo silang K-drama inspired resin keychains na na-release ko, which is It's Okay. Then, meron din akong Crash Landing on You inspired. Wala na siyang keychain, pero meron siyang, wala na siyang charm, pero originally ay meron tong charm. Sold out na kasi yung ganito. And of course, ito yung Startup. Yung color red ay CEO, and yung color black ay Mentor. But out of these three, ang pinaka-favorite ko talaga ay yung It's Okay, since super cute ng butterfly niya and super nice nung color. It's royal blue. So if you want to purchase this, I'm plugging my shop. So I will be linking my shop down below. Pwede niyo siya i-search sa Shopee at Aurora, Aurora. Or you can also visit us on Facebook at theaurora.craft. My next favorite is my 2021 planner, and actually for the past years puro SB planner yung ginagamit ko, but since quarantine nga hindi ako makakapag-collect ng stickers, but that's okay since super dami nga namang planners na nire-release ngayon. And this planner that I purchased ay hindi talaga ito yung first choice ko, however ay na-out of stock na siya. So I purchased this Bdj Planner. So ito yung kanilang 15th year edition. So this is one of their best sellers. However, hindi ito yung limited edition nila, since yung limited edition nila ay yung color blue. But I like the combination kasi dito nung black and gold, kaya yon. And you can also personalize your own planner. Sasabihin na lang sa kanila and dito nila ipi-place. However, that has an additional charge, of course. Medyo nakakapanibago nga lang sa planner na to kasi yung kanilang daily layout ay meron siyang from 8 AM to 8 PM. So, ganun siya. Compared kay Starbucks planner na per day lang talaga, per columns na ganun. And sobrang dami niyang monthly activities kasi parang ang planner nito is meant for reconnecting with yourself. Super nice niya kasi ang dami-dami niyang artworks and ang dami niyang activities. And feeling ko, yung special part pa dito ay meron siyang bills tracker and cash flow tracker. And of course, meron din siyang notes, just like sa iba pang planners. Sa pinaka-back part ay meron packet na ganito, and sa pinaka-packet na ganito ay makikita mo yung perks of Bella. So, every time magpa-purchase ka ng planner sa kanila, so every time magpa-purchase ka ng planner sa kanila ay magiging official Bella ka na, and magkakaroon ka ng lifestyle card. So, ganito yung itsura ng kanilang lifestyle card. So, pwede mo itong magamit sa kanilang mga partner stores para magkaroon ng mga discounts. So, aside from that, ay sobrang dami din yung coupons. This one is for CBTL. And yan. As in, buong booklet ay puro ganyan lang siya. So, if you want to know more about this planner, you can check out their website. And yan, I hope ay maging effective siya for this year. My next favorite is a notepad, and I just recently purchased this. Actually, kaya ko lang siya pinurchase kasi nung holiday season, nung naglalagay ako ng mga dedications sa mga gifts for my friends, na-realize ko na wala pala akong notepad na as in hindi sticky notes. Kaya yung mga na-release ko ay puro sticky notes. Kaya bumili ako ng isang ganito na notepad. And I really love it kasi dotted lang siya and pure white. Actually, this has a lot of designs. Meron din siya nung grid, meron din siya nung iba't ibang colors. Like, sa isang pad na to ay iba't iba. Like, meron ditong pink, blue. So, we are now down to the last item. I told you guys, this won't be too long. And this is definitely an essential, lalong-lalo na ngayong online classes pa din. So, this is a Bluetooth mouse. I purchased this sa Shopee and ang brand niya ay Zeus. So, this is how it looks like. Sobrang convenient magkaroon ng Bluetooth mouse kasi hindi na kailangan i-connect din sa laptop, wala ng wires. And what I like about this ay hindi siya mahirap i-connect sa laptop. Like, kapag kailangan ko na ulit siyang gamitin, hindi mo na kailangang i-click ulit sa laptop mo, i-connect mo ulit dito. All you have to do is connect this sa laptop mo for the first time, and the next time na gagamitin mo ay isa-switch mo lang yung sa Bluetooth mode. And I think this is only 280 pesos sa Shopee. I can't really remember. So that is it, guys, for this January favorites video. I hope ay matuloy-tuloy ito hanggang December. And kahit quick lang to, I hope you still enjoyed. If you have any video suggestions, of course, don't forget to leave a comment down below. Of course, do subscribe to my channel and give this video a like. Also, share this video to your family and friends. So, I'll see you all in my next and hope you all live happily ever after. Bye!